Hey everyone, Edward here at WindowsReport, and in this video I will show you how to install Windows 11 without TPM. The first proven method is to create a new DWORD. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in regedit and select Registry Editor from the search results. In the Registry Editor, navigate to the following path: HKey local machine, then System, then Setup, and then MO Setup. Now right-click the right pane and expand the new menu. Select DWORD 32-bit value and then enter Allow upgrades with unsupported TPM or CPU as the name of the new DWORD. Then simply double-click the DWORD that you just created and set the value data to 1, and then click OK to save changes. Another useful method is to modify your registry. To do this, firstly you have to start the Windows 11 installation, which will probably take you to the infamous "This PC can't run Windows 11" message. Now you have to press the Windows button, then type in regedit and select it from the search results. Now navigate to the following path: HKey local machine, System, and then Setup. Now right-click Setup, expand the new section and select Key from the list. Name the new key Lab Config, to which you also have to navigate, and in here you have to create 3 new DWORDs. You have to do this by right-clicking the right pane, then select New and then DWORD. The names of the DWORDs should be the following: Bypass TPM Check, Bypass RAM Check, Bypass Secure Boot Check. After you created these DWORDs, you have to double-click each DWORD and set its value data to 1. Once you've made these changes, exit the Registry Editor and the installation should continue without any problems. Lastly, you can also modify the Windows 11 ISO. First of all, you need to download the Windows 11 ISO from the Microsoft website, which I will also post in the description below. After you downloaded the Windows 11, just locate it and double-click it to mount it on your PC, and in here navigate to the Sources directory and locate the install.wim file. Copy the install.wim file to an easy-to-access location, for example to the desktop. Now you just have to get to the PowerShell to get some information from that WIM file. Access PowerShell by right-clicking the Windows button, then selecting PowerShell as administrator. In here, just copy-paste the following command, which I will also post in the description below. Now locate the version of Windows 11 that you want to install and memorize its index number. We used 7 for this example, but you need to use the index number of the version that you want to install. Now run the following command, but make sure to replace the paths and the index number accordingly. Now wait for the process to finish, and then you have to modify the Windows 11 ISO file by following these steps. You have to copy all the files from this ISO on your PC, so just create a new folder called Windows 11 on your desktop and copy all the files. Then simply locate the install.wim file that you created in the previous steps, and then simply go back to the Windows 11 ISO directory. Navigate to the sources folder and paste the install.wim inside it. Now you need an image burner software, and I will post a link below to ImageBurn, which is free to download and install. In the burner software, just click on the Create Image from File option, then browse for the Windows 11 folder that you created, then select the destination as well for the final image. Now you can click on the build icon and the image will be created in no time. From here on, you can just install Windows 11 directly, or you can upload it on your USB flash drive using Rufus, which is also a loader software for USB devices, for which I will also post a link in the description below. Once you downloaded and installed Rufus, as you can see, you have the ability to choose the device you want the Windows 11 to be copied on, and as well the option to choose between disk or ISO file. Lastly, just press on the Start button to load the image file on your USB drive. And that's it. Plenty of ideas to consider. As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.